F1 score in model evaluation. AI beginner level. Introduction. When evaluating machine learning models, it is important to measure how well the model performs in classification tasks. Two important metrics used for this purpose are precision and recall. However, sometimes we need a single metric that balances both precision and recall. This is where the F1 score becomes useful. F1 score is widely used in applications such as fraud detection, medical diagnosis, spam detection, information retrieval, cybersecurity systems. Understanding the F1 score helps developers evaluate machine learning models more effectively, especially when datasets are imbalanced. What is F1 score? F1 score is a machine learning evaluation metric that combines precision and recall into a single score. In simple words, F1 score equals balance between precision and recall. Example concept. Precision plus recall means combined metric means F1 score. The F1 score helps determine how well a model balances false positives and false negatives. Why F1 score is important. Sometimes precision and recall can give conflicting results. Example. A model may have high precision but low recall. Another model may have high recall but low precision. F1 score helps combine these two metrics to provide a balanced evaluation. Example concept. Precision versus recall means balanced measurement means F1 score. This makes the F1 score useful for real-world AI systems. F1 score formula. The F1 score is calculated using precision and recall. F1 equals 2 times frac, precision times recall, precision plus recall. Where precision equals accuracy of positive predictions. Recall equals ability to detect actual positives. The F1 score represents the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Example of F1 score calculation. Suppose a model has precision equals 0.80, recall equals 0.60. Example concept. F1 equals 2 times 0.80 times 0.60 slash 0.80 plus 0.60. F1 score approximately equals 0.69. This value represents the balanced performance of the model. F1 score and confusion matrix. F1 score is calculated using values from the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix components. Term meaning. True positive. TP. Correct positive prediction. False positive. FP. Incorrect positive prediction. False negative. FN. Missed positive case. True negative. TN. Correct negative prediction. Example concept. Confusion matrix means precision and recall means F1 score. The F1 score helps summarize model performance using these values. When to use F1 score. F1 score is especially useful when dealing with imbalanced datasets. Example. Suppose 95% of emails are not spam. A model predicting not spam every time would achieve high accuracy but fail to detect spam. Example concept. Imbalanced dataset means accuracy misleading means F1 score helpful. F1 score helps provide a fairer evaluation. F1 score versus accuracy. Accuracy and F1 score measure different aspects of model performance. Metric measures. Accuracy overall correctness. Precision correctness of positive predictions. Recall detection of positive cases. F1 score balance of precision and recall. Example concept. Model evaluation means multiple metrics means better understanding. Using multiple metrics gives a complete view of model performance. Example Python code. Example F1 score calculation using Python. From sklearn. Metrics import F1 underscore score. F1 equals F1 underscore score. Y underscore true. Y underscore print. F1 score. Quote, F1. Machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn provide built-in tools for evaluating models. Real-world applications. F1 score is widely used in AI systems. Spam detection. Balancing detection of spam while avoiding misclassification of legitimate emails. Medical diagnosis. Ensuring diseases are detected while minimizing false diagnoses. Fraud detection. Balancing accurate fraud detection with minimizing false alerts. Search engines. Evaluating information retrieval systems. Concepts learned from F1 score. Understanding F1 score helps beginners learn. Checkmark how precision and recall work together. Checkmark how machine learning models are evaluated. Checkmark how to handle imbalanced datasets. F1 score is one of the most widely used evaluation metrics in machine learning. Simple definition. F1 score. A machine learning evaluation metric that measures the balance between precision and recall. Final summary. The F1 score is an important evaluation metric used in machine learning classification tasks. It combines precision and recall into a single value, providing a balanced measure of model performance. F1 score is especially useful when dealing with imbalanced datasets or when both false positives and false negatives are important. Understanding the F1 score helps developers evaluate AI systems more accurately and build more reliable machine learning models.